Okay, this is the Litter Box 2000. You have a giant reserve litter box down here. That's for when you go on vacation. You open the slot to it. And then the main litter box, this one here, here's how you open it. Just push that down. This one over. The whole lid comes up, and oh, wouldn't you know it, somebody just finished using it. Alright, so when they get done using it, put the lid back on, or close the ends. They're going to come out there. But in order to come out, they have to travel from this platform here, which is all front door mat, so all the litter comes off their paws, and they like hanging out in it. Then they got to travel down to this mat, and then once they travel down to this mat, then they have to travel down to the very bottom mat, then they can leave. So all the litter is going to fall off their paws. And when the thing gets so much litter in it that there's just not a lot of mat and there's just piles of litter, then you just take the lid off of it and shake it out. Oh, maybe he's going to go take poop number 2. Very nice, very nice. So I'll unblock it there when I go on vacation. That way they'll have twice the amount of litter. The bottom one is full, really full of litter, so that it's just a huge reserve backup. You can also, if you have, when you're taking this thing off, it's a very simple process. All it is I used great stuff to shape out the foam holes. So they're basically slotted right for these litter boxes. See them in there pooping, and there's the bottom litter box. And so, on this one I filled up the hole so they can't get into it. I'll unfill it when I go on vacation. And then I just put a blob of great stuff on both sides of the cooler to keep it at the right level. And so all you do is kind of slide it towards the boxes until it goes in, and that's it. And then it should seal right up so that you don't have to smell it. So you're not going to be sitting around sniffing the smell of cat litter. And it's very easy to clean. You just pop the lid, clean it out, and then put the lid back together. And there's not any litter that gets out into the house. Nice clean floor.